Okay, we are back again for another obstacle avoidance test. And at the last video, I got some comments that I wasn't really, the settings were not really right. So I want to rectify those this time and then repeat the test. And I totally agree with the comments. I made a few mistakes there. I was a little bit under time pressure when I did it. So I was not really paying close attention to the settings. But we will repeat it this time and hopefully the drone survives the process. So let's just jump in on the 3 dots here. And the first mistake that I made was that I didn't put the drone in bypass. I had it in brake, which meant that every time that it was facing an obstacle of some kind, it was basically stopping. So we need to go give it bypass. So give it a little bit of room to work around the obstacles and find a path. So that's one thing we need to. Then there's the bypass option, normal or nifty. Normal, that's basically how it's born, but if we say nifty, it says when controlling the aircraft via the control sticks, nifty bypassing is enabled. Aircraft avoids obstacles with more subtle attitude changes and flies more smoothly, but it increases the collision risk. Use with caution. So I guess we've got to try that. No pain, no gain. Then there was another thing where it had to go really, really low to be able to follow me. And I think I put in maybe a height that was a lower height that was too high. So it was not capable of doing that. So the inner height here, if I put that down to 0.5 meters, then it's really, really close to the ground. And then the outer height, I put that at 2 meters, something like that. Then we have the inner radius that can't be set to less than 4 meters. And then the outer radius could be like, I don't know, 6 meters maybe. So these are the settings that we're going to use. And by the way, I just did a return to home test within this, under this roof. It is really amazing what this machine can do. So hopefully it will perform equally nice when we bring it here outside. Yeah. So let's see what's going on. Let's get it airborne first. And then fly it out here. Whoa. It's not so crazy about that. So let's just grab the camera here. Let's fly it out here. So now we're up here. Everything's nice. We can mark me as the subject. We can do active track. We just let it follow me from behind here. That's fine. And we have the video is recording. Just let it follow me here. Just going. Then we want to make sure that we're cheating a little bit here. See that it's following along. I can adjust the gimbal here a little bit. So, hello. It's up there somewhere. So now we are back at the position from last time. So now I'll just follow here what's happening on the screen instead. So let's just do this now. So now it's going low, which we wanted to do. And just move this a little bit here. So now we're ready. So let's go. There's no doubt that, okay, I don't know the outcome of this test, but there's no doubt that I left this drone with a rather bad impression, showing it off like I did on the last video. So, see it still? So now we are here in the open. Here last time, it kind of nicked that branch that was there on the corner. So I did that. So, but it's not doing that. Hopefully not right now. Let's continue. So I don't know what it's doing now. Now it's zipping and zapping around. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. It's going very, very close. I want it in front of me. So. It's not completely in front of me. So it's very, very close to the branches there. So I'll just move it out here with the sticks. So now it's there. So now it's in the middle here. And let's see if it still tracks me. I'll move it over here, so, like this. So, going forward here, yeah. So it's staying there very nicely. So it hasn't crashed yet, but it gets dangerously close to those branches, that's for sure. I don't know if it's just me, but this active track 360, this circle that you have here in the lower left corner, I'm not really sure that I understand that all the time, what it is that it's doing. So let's just start by flying the drone here behind me. And again, I selected the wrong way around. So now it's doing something. Man, it's getting close to those obstacles. And I wanted the inner circle. That meant that it go low. So now it's low and it's still following along. So let's try and see. This was the passage last time where we had problems, where it wouldn't go through. So we are trying that this time. And let's see what's going on here. See if it can do it. Yeah. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Ay, man. See if it can figure it out. It's definitely struggling. Yeah. Just need a little bit of time. Woo! They had actually auto landed the last time. So, yeah. Man. I hope it survives. I don't like it. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so let's up the odds a little bit here and let's hope it survives. Let's just try and go over here. So now I'm going through this. See if it can figure out to follow me. What is it doing? You need to go down, my friend. Go down. Yeah, so it is going down. Hey. Can you figure it out? No, it doesn't like that at all. So it's not going through that. So let's take it out of its misery and back it off here a little bit. Hey, man. Still, I have the finger on here. So this way should be easy. Don't ever say anything will be easy for a drone. So, also I was told that I was stopping all the time to see what it's doing. So right now I will not do that. Hey, man. Then we went through this route. So right now I'm not touching anything. Trying to, you can hear my breathing, trying to walk a rather rapid pace here. See, there's a lot of challenges here. Whoa! There was trouble bubble. Definitely. It was touching a branch there. I could hear that. I don't like when it's doing this sound, because then I know there's problems. Yeah, so we made it down here with a little bit of branch nicking like last time. I think it did a better job this time. What do you think? Maybe we should see if we could. I don't think I can make it go through this small passage here. That would be fairly unreasonable. It's doing these crazy compensations. Now, this I won't do. So nicky branchy. Nicky branchy. Oh. I think that's enough for now to demonstrate this. No one should really put their drone through something like this. I'm lucky that it's still here. So, yeah. All right, so nice test with this Air 3S. It's really an amazing drone. No doubt about that. And but of course, if you put it into narrow places like I just did, you risk running into problems. There's no doubt about that. So I'm not going to land it here. Så detekterer den alle de problemer der er, og så crasher den. I didn't want it on the ground. So, if you want to see some of the other videos that I've made around this drone, then if I could position this, I've made a playlist that you can access through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.